Hello, madam. Today we're going to present our personal budget tracker system. First, my name is Eugene.
My name is YONG.
And my name is Johan.
And my name is ERNEST LEONG.
Okay, now we're going to show our system output. First, this is our main page, and you have to click the login and it will direct to the login page. Now this is the login page, and you need to insert the username, and after insert the user and insert the password too. Then after insert all the credential, then you can click login button. And this is into the main page of the user. Now I'm going to present about the income and expenses. First, click the income, and this is the income page. And to add the income, you have to insert the income amount. For example, we add 200 and insert the category, and example like part-time job. Okay, and then we select the date, for example today. And now then after that we click the add income button. After edit, it will show this successfully, and then the table below it will show the thing. Other than that, then also now it's about the update button, update file feature. Just click the update button, and this is the update page. Now click the income ID, and then we search it, and it will show this. Now insert the income ID, income amount which we want to modify. Like for example, we click 300, and category we click monthly income. Then select the date, and for yesterday, 11. Yeah. Then after that we confirm and show this successfully. And there you see that you already updated. Then now it's about the delete. Then click delete, and also same we click the ID, the income ID, then search it. Then we show this the data. Then click confirm, it will delete. Yeah. Then you see as you see that already deleted. Okay, now back to the main page and its expenses now. And this also same, click the, for example, 200, and category we click monthly income, and not monthly income, click for example dinner, eat dinner, yeah. And then click today, and expenses. Now you successfully added the new expenses. And now it's about the update. Click update, and also click the expense, the ID, and show this and insert the expenses which you want to modify. For example, you click 300, and category we eat, say lunch, and the date, for example, yesterday, yeah, 11, and click confirm, and it will modify it, update it, yeah. Now it's about the delete, and also say we enter the ID, search it, and show this, and click confirm to delete, yeah. And now I'm going to talk about the register user. First of all, then we click the register button, and then this is the register main page, and we insert our username, password, then name first. Example like and password. We insert some password. insert address, and the last is email. Now, so that after inserting the email, then we choose the user type. For example, we click normal, and the security question for you is, for example, this: what's your nickname? And Leong. Yeah. So that you can click register, and now it will successfully register the user. Now we test again, log in again. For example, click the ERNEST and the password, and then log in. Now successfully log in to the user page. Yeah, that's all for our. That's all about the register. And that's it. Now I'll pass to my teammate to talk about budget and financial report. Thank you.
Hi, so I'm going to present about the budget and financial report page. So I first go to the budget page. As you can see, it also show the budget list for the specific users. So if you want to add another budget, you just have to insert the amount, for example, 400, and you select the start date and the end date. So usually the budget is for 1 month, so I click for the 1 month durations. For example, like that, from the first day of March to the last day of March. Then when you click add, it will just add to the budget table and you show here. So if you want to update, like the amount is wrong or the date is wrong, you can just click the update and search for the ID, which is like that, and click search. It will show the list here. And if you want to change any amount of start date, you just have to answer the specific blocks. As if I want to change it to 500 and make it as the April one. Then you just click confirm and it will update. So as you can see over here, it already updated here. So if you don't want this budget list, you want to delete it, is it also the same thing? You just click the delete button and you insert the budget list, the budget ID, and you click search. So it will come up this budget list. So if you confirm you want to delete this budget list, you just click the confirm and the budget is deleted. So this is mainly for the budget page, and I will show you the financial report page. So for premium user, we'll have the access to the financial report page, but not the normal user. So we are showing you the premium user main page here. And when you click at the financial report, it will show the income list of the user, expenses list, and the budget list for the user. And it will also calculate the total income, total expense, and total budget for the users. And you can see as a list over here. So when the user is done, you will just click the back button and it will go back to the main page of the premium user. So for the normal user is also the same thing, but normal user won't have the access to the financial report. So I'll pass it to my groupmate to further explain about the admin and also data analyst part. One. And also for the forgot password, you can click on the login page here for the button forgot password. So when you click, it will ask for the username. And for example, the user will just register just now, ERNEST, and you can just click submit and it will show the security questions and you have to enter the answer to verify it. So when you verify, it will show you the page to enter the new password. So when we change the password and reset, it will say the password is reset successful, and you can go back to the login page and enter with the new password. And the user will be allowed to access to our system with the new password. And that's all for the forgot password.
Okay, so for the admin part, first we have to log in as admin using the admin credentials. So as for the admin main page, we have two options. One of them is to add user, the other one is to update user. So first of all, we will now show the add user function. So in the admin hub, in the admin add user page, what we have to do to add the user is by keying in the username, password, address, and the email of a new user. And so once we have keyed in all the details, we can select the user type and then click on add user. It will automatically add the user into the data. And the other function of admin is to update the user profile. So in order to update one user profile, we first have to insert the user ID of an existing profile first. And then once we click search, we can see the available user profile. And then from here, we can edit the user data such as username, password, email, and the address or the user type. So once we key in, we can also select the user type and then click on confirm to update the user. And then that's it for the admin page. Also for the user, you can edit your own profile by clicking on the top right corner. So from here, you can edit your own username, email, password, and your address. So by clicking the username, you can enter your new username and click on confirm. And then you show updated successfully, and you can see your username is updated. Also for the email, you can do the same thing by inputting a new email and then click on confirm to confirm your update. Same goes for the password. And lastly, the address. Here you have successfully updated your account info, and that's about the profile management.
To talk about data analyst. So right now, we can log in first. So for the username and password, we just input the data analyst username and the password. So log in. So for the finance, right here, we can see there's got 4 interface. So the first one is the finance data, budget data, income data, and expense data. So we'll go with finance data first. So before we go in, we need to input the username, the user ID, then click search. So right now, the data analyst can see the user income, expense, budget, and the total income lah. The totals of the income, expense, and the budget lah. So we can go back. So for the budget data, also the same things. The data analyst need to insert the user ID. Click search. So for user data, the data analyst can edit, update all the users' budgets. So for example, we can just input the user ID and the amount that we want to edit, and also the date. So we just click confirm. So it's successful. So when we go back, the user data already changed lah. So right now we're going back. Then we go to the income data. Also the same, input the user ID. So also we can change the user income right here. So for example, we just click the user ID income. So click the amount that we want to change. The category also, for example, part-time job, then the date. Okay, just click confirm, then we can see already successful, then already changed. So go back. So the last one is the expense data. So click the same things also. So right now we also can change just input the expense ID, the amount that we want to change. and the category. And the last one is the date. So click confirm. So we can see there's already changes. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.